Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Math UT Practice. In this video, I hope I can do both practice 6 and 7. If I have enough time, let's continue. So for practice 6, what we do here is you need to give an example of a solution of the different statements that you are given. Okay? So for example, the first question, you are given that P is greater than or equals to -2. Can P be -2? Yes, because there's an equal to. So your example could be directly that. Or you could give any other example that is greater than -2. What number is greater than -2? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any positive number is greater than -2, even -1 actually. So you can give any other numbers, maybe 99. Okay, that's a good one, right? So any number that's greater than or equal to -2. Just one example is enough because the question said an example. All right. Next, question 2. Give an example again. A is greater than or equal to -6.5. Can A be -6.5? Yes. So you can write that directly. Can A be 99? Yes. Because it's greater than -6.5. So any number. I like 99, that's why. I was born in 1999. So old. Now next one. B is greater than or equal to 1. Can B be 1? Yes. What other numbers are greater than 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 blah. So many numbers. But you just have to write 1. Your favorite number. Next. D is smaller than or equal to 1. Can D be 1? Yes. What other numbers are smaller than 1? 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. We just need one number. It can be equal to 1, so why not write that? Next. E is smaller than or equal to -1.3. So can it be 1.3? -1.3? Yes. What other numbers are smaller than that? The more negative, the smaller it is. So -99 this time. Okay? Next. E is smaller than -1.3. What number is smaller than -1.3? Can it be -1.3 here? No, because we don't have the equal to sign. So we just write E is smaller than 1.3, which is -99, right? My favorite number. You can have -98, -97, -100, -200, -1000. Any number that's smaller than -1.3. Next. E is larger than -1.3. Can E be -1.3? No, because we don't have the equal to wordings. So any number that's larger than this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, 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 blah. 99. Yes. So you can put that, of course. So that's for practice 6. Now for practice 7. Let's just continue within this video. Because it's easier, that's why. So class mark means the number in between. You have a frequency distribution table. There is a class boundaries which is given from 30.5 to 35.5. This number here, it does not mean minus. It means the ranges. It starts from 30.5. It ends with 35.5. It doesn't mean that 30.5 minus 35.5. Okay. The smallest number is this. The largest number is this. And then you need to find the class mark of it. Class mark means the number that can represent that class, that numbers of data. So class mark, the method to find is to have the one in the middle of these. So the first one plus the last one divided by 2 and see what do you get. You can do the upper part first, the denominator 30.5 plus 35.5 in calculator. You can have 66 over 2. Over 2 means divided by 2. So 66 divided by 2, what can you get? Yes, 33. That's your answer. Okay, you don't really have to show every single step, of course. You can just write the final answer. It's also okay if you are fast enough. Whereas I usually like steps, but if it's in MC, I'm not sure if this is in MC or what. It shouldn't be in MC actually. Maybe it is. I don't remember. Maybe it is. Okay, next. You are given a class boundary of which number? This 2. And then you need to find the class mark of it. So the first one plus the last one divided by 2. So 40.5 plus 55.5, you can get 96. And then 96 divided by 2, you can get 48. That is your answer. Okay, good enough. Then let's just continue. Class boundary is something, and then you need to find the class mark again. So the first one plus the second one divided by 2, and you can get your answer. So you will have 50.5 plus 65.5, which is 116. 116 divided by 2 is 58, and that's your answer, 58. Let's continue. So the first one plus the last one divided by 2, and then you can have your answer as plus time. You have 126 divided by 2, which is 63. Easy peasy. I hope this is not too hard. I know it's a little bit hard to understand sometimes, but then after having so many questions, same style, like practice makes perfect, right? So let's just continue. Next, again you are given some ranges and you have to find the class mark. So the first one plus the last one divided by 2. So you can have your answer as 146 on top divided by 2, you can have 73. Just continue. The first one plus the last one divided by 2, and you can have your answer as 176, if I'm not wrong, 88. 176 divided by 2, you can have 88. Please use calculators. Even for 1 plus 1 we use calculators, so why not this? And then next one, again you have a class boundary, and then you have to find the class mark of it. So the first one plus the last one divided by 2. So you will have 186 on top divided by 2, you can have 93. So that's for practice 6 and practice 7. Both of them are a little easy to understand, I think so. Each of them is 2 marks. So if you can do the whole practice 1 to practice 7, you can guarantee yourself 16 marks at least. Of course, you have some MC by luck as well. Each MC is 2 marks. And then you can have these 16 marks as well. And the passing marks is 35. That's a lot to go. But then we have a lot of practices left, right? So hopefully you can do all these, right? If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section down below or on WhatsApp if you have my number. So that's all for this video. Thank you and see you next practice. Allah Hafiz.